Fall is here and you know what that means. Pumpkin spice lattes, cozy sweaters and a tidal wave of artificial intelligence crashing into every aspect of our lives. From the way we communicate to the way we work, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily routines. That's right, folks. AI is about to get even bigger, and this winter, things are going to get interesting. We're on the brink of a technological revolution that will change the way we live, work and play. We're talking about AI that can diagnose diseases faster than a doctor hopped up on caffeine pills. Imagine a world where your health is monitored in real time and potential issues are flagged before they become serious problems. We're talking about algorithms that can predict stock market crashes before your investment banker even has time to send you a panicked email. These AI systems are designed to analyze vast amounts of data and make predictions with incredible accuracy. And yes, we're even talking about AI teachers that might actually make you wish you'd paid more attention in school. These AI educators can tailor lessons to individual students, making learning more personalized and effective. But before you either run for the hills or invest your life savings in a robot dog walking company, let's take a deep dive into the world of AI this fall and winter. We'll explore the latest advancements, the potential risks, and the exciting opportunities that lie ahead. It's going to be a wild ride, so buckle up, stay curious, and get ready to embrace the future.
First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, healthcare. It's a field that's constantly evolving, and the latest advancements are nothing short of mind-blowing. Picture this. You walk into a doctor's office, and instead of being greeted by a receptionist who's already heard every excuse in the book for why you're late, you're face-to-face with a robot. This isn't just any robot, but a highly sophisticated AI designed to make your visits smoother and more efficient. Don't worry, it's not here to steal your organs, yet. Instead, it's here to assist you in ways you never thought possible. This AI-powered assistant is here to check your symptoms, schedule appointments, and maybe even tell you a joke while you wait. Imagine having a personal assistant that never gets tired and is always ready to help. But the real magic is happening behind the scenes. The advancements in AI technology are not just limited to front-end interactions. Researchers are developing AI algorithms that can analyze medical images with superhuman accuracy, potentially detecting diseases like cancer earlier than ever before. This could revolutionize early diagnosis and treatment, saving countless lives. And if that's not enough to make your head spin, get this, scientists are even working on AI-powered prosthetics that can learn and adapt to a patient's movements, making them feel like natural limbs. These prosthetics can adjust in real time, providing a level of comfort and functionality that was previously unimaginable. It's like something out of a science fiction movie, except it's happening right now. The future of healthcare is here, and it's smarter, more efficient, and maybe just a bit weird. But hey, who said progress was boring?
Now, let's talk money, honey. The financial landscape is evolving, and it's time to understand the winners and losers in this new game. The financial world is no stranger to technology, but AI is about to shake things up like never before. We're entering an era where artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but a game changer. We're talking about algorithms that can analyze market trends with lightning speed, identifying investment opportunities and risks, before human traders even have a chance to blink. Imagine the edge this gives to those who harness it effectively. This means faster transactions, more personalized financial advice, and yes, potentially even bigger profits. The efficiency and precision AI brings to the table are unparalleled. But before you start planning your retirement to a private island, there are some downsides to consider. The rapid pace of AI integration also brings significant challenges and risks. What happens when AI starts making decisions about your money without any human oversight? The lack of human intuition and empathy in these decisions can lead to unforeseen consequences. What happens when algorithms designed to maximize profits end up exacerbating existing economic inequalities? The gap between the rich and the poor could widen even further. These are just a few of the questions we need to be asking as AI takes over Wall Street. The future of finance is here, and it's up to us to navigate it wisely.
AI teachers are really changing the game in education. They're personalizing learning experiences, adapting to each student's needs, and providing instant feedback. Imagine having a tutor that knows exactly what you need to succeed and is available 24/7. It's truly revolutionary.
AI has the potential to transform our lives for the better, but we must also be cautious. There are concerns about privacy, job displacement, and the ethical use of AI. It's essential that we strike a balance between innovation and responsibility. We need to ensure that AI benefits everyone, not just a select few.
The future of AI is not some distant concept, it's happening right now. We're seeing advancements in healthcare, transportation, and even entertainment. As a young innovator, I believe that AI will continue to evolve and bring about positive changes. But it's up to us to guide its development in a way that aligns with our values and needs.